Put my whole soul into this shit right here. This ain't just no song right here. It's a journal entry, nigga. Oh.
Everybody count me out all the time, but I know I'm not that bad of a guy. When I was a kid, when I used to cry, mama picked me up and said, wipe your eye. Fat and then I hit my head on the block. Life going hard, I'ma put it on God. It be so much going on at the same time. Really make me feel like I'm insane sometimes.
Raised feel, in my heart I got raised, here intent to kill. Back in the day I ain't have nothing, and then I had to get it, this shit got real. They don't understand what's been going on in my life. When they see him, when they see my eyes, they don't understand what really lies right behind them. This shit ain't no fair for me. Why do these bitches switch up on me after they tell me she care for me? It's okay, this is the way that it gotta be. I gotta keep my just faith for my family. This nigga, he mad and he wanna compare with me. I'd be the best if I didn't even wanna be. Look, hounds, nigga, you can't fall with me. You'll be the first victim in my killing spree. These niggas losing by default. Ready for me to blow like C4. Lame ass nigga, you a little boy. Mad at me cause I fucked your heart. Better hit me up like Tupac. I'm just gonna take these 2 shots. These niggas really don't got the heart. I'm a young nigga who'll kill someone.
I know these niggas ain't what they say. I be out my body still. I be sipping on Audi pain. I be out of Purple Rain. She gon' fuck that nigga frame. Then go back and fuck a lane. Might as well put that bitch on a fucking choo-choo train. Welcome to Cold World, bitch.
Cold World.
Trapped up in your ways, you lost me. I've been smoking haze all morning. Brothers by my side, my army. Ride with me through homicide, can nobody harm me. She gon' call my phone when she's horny. I'ma grab my life by the harness. But my heart is cold, it's on burn. But it still works sometimes. Girl, are you even worth my time? Are you worth the strength of my mind?
I ain't ride around with no poser. I'd be quick to give you the cold shoulder. I've been smoking, I've been sipping this soda. You been hollering at the moon like a werewolf. If you riding with me, girl, you get your soul took. You better be my best shooter. Put your love to the test like school, yeah. Every time you always act like you don't never learn. I'll be here for you for the moment, but I ain't standing here to just get my feelings hurt. I'll let you be, you won't judge ya. I'll let run along like Usher. I'll blast in the sky like thunder. Make it scream real, I'll take it under.
I'm with your girl, I'ma make her I take you out, take you to my wild. She don't even care about what I talk about. I think she just want me to take her down. No, I won't rush, no love from you now. But I do want to bust her down.
Welcome to Cold World.
What are the rules for life? I don't know, but I wish I did. What are the rules for life? I don't know, but I wish I did. What are the rules for life? I don't know, but I wish I did. What are are the rules for life? I don't know, but I wish I did. Lot of lane come, not a fiends come. Lot of lane come, not a fiends come. Orange black come, Halloween come. This the season when the crows come. This the day here when the hoes come. You ain't stay here, po come. You's a bitch, nigga. Oh, you stole from me. You get no money, old clothes on you. Bust nigga head, looking like a zombie. When I'm dressed black, I match thunder. When I got the hoe, ass all I want. Had a fuck nigga in the head with a chopper. Blow a nigga down like a motherfucking pump.
Cold World.
Niggas talk about me, don't know about none. Quit the sad fuck nigga as example. Blow a chopper at his face like Rambo. Bitch, I been there before, go back in the moment. Hugs on a nigga, but I don't even want him. Keep on shining like some motherfucking thunder. Like nothing done, blowing nothing done. Blowing till I'm done, smoking till the coma. Even motherfucker, just pretty dumb. Not afraid of nothing, not afraid of them. Keep sipping punch, getting for the months. Keep on getting stoned, keep on getting blunt. Keep on getting dough, keep on getting money. Take a nigga saw, grab a rip come. Got a chainsaw and a pistol on me. Got a bad bitch trying to twerk on me. Doing dirt on me, you get murdered on. Down see the lights when them bitches turned on. Turn the lights off, not a storm coming. Turn the lights off, not a whore coming.
Hello.
I don't know what's wrong with my phone. My messages was not sending.
Your messages were not sending.
No.
Don't let me fall, not head off. If you got a problem, we can solve. Not enough, not involved. Said you want my love, but you don't give enough of it. Now I'm yelling out, fuck this shit, but not fuck it all. I wanna see the outcome still, so I'll try for your love. And now I'm traveling so far, but I don't like to travel at all. Watch you grow, watch the snow fall. I got your back just like you got my heart. Please don't relax just yet. We're still in the dark. We're still trying. They're still lying. I see the opportunities arise. I grab it by your hand and I fly. Diamonds all on my brothers for real. Pockets swole, got a heart of steel. I wanna be what you wanna kiss you, girl. Always gotta take your hand up the hill. I'll be your man if you let me still. We don't need Zans, we like fucking pills. We're just sipping, we like cracking seals. We're just smoking, yeah. We'll do this shit till the end of life. We'll be this way till the end of life. Won't fade away, all the angels fly.
Hmm?
You on my song now?
Your song?
Yeah, I was making a song and you called, so I'm being recorded right now.
Frank, why you ain't?
Welcome to Cold World.
And if we don't ever get a chance to face what we started, I'll be broken hearted. I don't wanna waste my time, I'll be broken hearted. I'm real good inside. Shit much, but no, you ain't mine. Thinking about you, but I know you ain't mine. I wanna have you, but I know this ain't time. Maybe it's yes and no at the same time. Ain't felt the feeling before, I gotta make up my mind. When I'm not feeling the love, you got me feeling fine. And I'm not feeling myself, heavy, I'm fine. I don't need nobody else on my side. Can't make that choice for you, girl, it's your life. When I talk to you like that, you say I'm wrong. When you talk to me like that, I say you rude. I wanna take you out of you, put on your shoes. I wanna take you out of you, put on your shoes. And really get in the bed, it's who always on. And I don't wanna see your body with clothes on. And when I'm not with you, I feel alone. I wanna put my hand in your palm.
We love you, Dave.
Oh shit, we high, posted in the sky. Potion, I try. Made up my mind, I ain't tripping all the time. But baby, you're fine. Said you wanna be mine, but you're not alive. Take a breath, and if you need some help, call me on my phone and I'll be right there for you, girl. Living life for lessons, making confessions. All the secrets that you got within you got them trapped in. Keep it from me, keep them in your head, where they gon' be. I see your eyes and then I can read. You tell me all of the things that you seen inside your dreams. And said you see me, I'ma just stand right here, give you a reason for you to feel free. The feeling of bliss that you give me, I wanna study the thing that you read. The thing that you read, the thing that you learn. I smoke on the end of the blunt when I burn. You see my soul when it's trapped in the urn. It's right in your hand, I be your man. I be just telling you things that I seen, and you can understand if you want or shit. You can just tell me you don't. Do I fit in here? Feeling like I am the villain here. They ain't happy till I disappear. Hanging from the sky, I chandelier. That's her not cause I been steady no more. Nigga be mad cause I feel like go hard. Killing these niggas, they come on my throne. You can't do me wrong, baby, don't got my heart. It's right in my hand, king shit. Just like a Viking, sink your ship. Why is you trying? Oh, you a bitch. There is no other man quite like this. I got a freestyle, I don't write for shit. They never seen lightning strike like this. I never used all my might like this. Yeah, they can't even fight like this.
We love you, Dave.
I shed tears from my eyes. Drag my head on your thigh. You said that you were mine. Maybe it was just a dream of mine. At night I fantasize. sides, wishing everything could be alright. Living out my short life, way it feels long sometimes.
Just as any impurity running downhill in a river, by the time it travels 9 miles, is purified. So, the life of a man traveling to the sea, which is our inevitable death someday, purifies itself. It must. Because if you do not purify, these tensions remain in and turn in on yourself and destroy you. The man who cannot laugh freely is a sick man. The man who cannot cry and release his tears in that direction is a sick man. The man who cannot be violent through exercise, through sports, through acting out his violence in paper or painting or acting on a stage is a sick man. I've made the point on many occasions that the only thing you're ever going to own in your life is your work.